Today we'll be learning how to simplify polynomials. I'm going to do two examples. This is example 1, the easy example. We currently have a polynomial at the top, b squared minus 14b plus 48 divided by 8b minus 64. We're of course going to factor out what's common, and we get here b minus 8 times b minus 6 by factoring the numerator into two binomials, and then we take a common factor of 8 out the denominator, leaving us b minus 8. Now, as you notice in here, we have a b minus 8 divided by a b minus 8. These terms are the same, so we can then cancel them out. This then leaves us the term b minus 6 over the 8. And that's our final answer. We must remember, however, that we cannot divide by 0. So we have to exclude some numbers. The number here that would make the denominator 0 is 8. Therefore, b cannot equal 8 because that would make our denominator 0. Let's look at a second example. Example number 2. In this one, we have n squared plus 9n squared plus 9n plus 20 divided by n squared plus 8n plus 16. Of course, these are polynomials that need to be factored. So we go ahead and factor these, and we're going to get n plus 5 times n plus 4 over n plus 4 times n plus 4. We factored the numerator and we factored the denominator. Once we get to that part, we can cancel our n plus 4 over our n plus 4, leaving us simply with n plus 5 over n plus 4. As I said earlier, note that n cannot equal negative 4 because that would cause our denominator to be 0. If we put a negative 4 plus 4, our denominator would be 0. And we all know can't divide by 0. Need help? Ask me tomorrow. See you then.